Hello everyone, welcome back once more to my channel. My name is GXToro and today we're going to be opening the Legendary Collection Kaiba Round 2. Yes, Round 2. Let's go! We're going to be opening 3 of these boxes and let's see what can we get from that. Let's start. So, for those that haven't seen the other video, just go back, scroll down, and I also am going to link it at the end of the video so you can see that my first time opening these ones. I opened 5, so I'm going to be opening 3 this time. Please wish me luck. So let's open this first. And what can we get from here? So we're going to have the promos. So let's open this one. So I'm going to show you. So, Goddess of the Sweet Revenge, the King of D, Destruction Dragon, Dragon Revival Rhapsody, and Loop of Destruction. Those are the 5 cards that you get as promos in this box. So let's put it here and let's open it. No, let me show you that comes with a mat, a heart. Like heart, very nice mat, by the way, of the Goddess, Rhapsody, and Loop of Destruction. And behind the other side has Kaiba and the dragon, Destruction Dragon, I guess, again. So I'm going to put this here and I'm going to open the packages now because we want to see what is inside. What is inside? So this box. Let's see what is in this. We got Assault Core, nice, Secret Rare, and then we got Silver Cry, nice, and then we got Tyrant Wing, good, Mausoleum of the White, okay, good, Dragonity Phalanx, nice, Ring of Defense, Diddy Crow. I like this one. This is one of the cards that I wanted to get again. Thunder Dragon, nice, Thunder Dragon, Dragon Shrine as a Secret Rare, and Burst String of Destruction. Okay, we got one of those. Let me put this one here. Hopefully we can get the hand traps that I want. Let me go here. So we got Diffusion as a Secret Rare. Wait, here, no. Hide. There you go. Diffusion. Prettiest White with Eyes of Blue. Prettiest Whites of Blue. And then Blue Eyes White Dragon. Nice. And then Soul Exchange. Good. Doom Virus Dragon. Warrior Elimination. Protector with Eyes of Blue. La Jean, the mystical genie of the lamp. Dragon Spirit of White, and Burst Stream of Destruction again. Come on, give us different stuff. And then for the last package of this box kind of meh. Just for Diddy Crow, I think it's best. Card of the Mice, nice. This is one of the cards that I wanted as well as a magic. Nice, Card of the Mice. Nice. I didn't get this one in the past video. Oh, sorry, I spoiled it already. Sorry. But I wanted this card. And then trading. Drones of the Lockbeard. Nice, a hand trap. I like this one. But this is not the one that I want, but I want this one too. Blue Eyes White Dragon. Exile of the Wicked. Blue Eyes Twin Burst Dragon, nice. Fusion Sage, Just Desserts, Cost Down, and Dragon Ravine, nice. Okay, Card of the Mice. We can give a meh, but let's see what is in the next one. So we still have 6 more packages, 6 more shots. Hopefully we can get the cards that I want. Please. Come on, Kaiba. Give us the power. We need to believe in the heart of the cards. Open this. And so I'm not going to open this one because we already saw this one. I'm going to put it in the back. And come on, let's go. Let's do this. So we're going to open this. So Neutron Blast. Nice. I think. Okay, Neutron Blast. The White Stone of Legend. Nice. Doom Virus Dragon. Another one. We got already one this. Boards Raider. Parrot Dragon. Cloning. Come on. Giant Red Snake. Dragonity Legendary. Burst Drake. And Enemy Controller. Oh, come on. We didn't get it. Any hand trap. Come on. And we got Blue Eyes Shining Dragon, like the movie. Pretest with Eyes of Blue. Y Dragon Head. Tyrant Wing. Heavy Mech Support Platform. What? Oh, come on. Okay. Cloning. And then we got another. Oh, no. Blue Eyes Stream Burst Dragon. Nice. Dragonity Legendary. I think we didn't get it. Goddess Sweet Revenge. I don't like that. Why, if you are giving away this as a promo on Ultra Rare, you are giving this in Secret Rare? I don't find it good. And then Terraforming. The third package of this box. Let's go. What can we get? Come on. Give us a hand traps. Silver Scry. ABC Dragon Buster. Kaiba Man. Come on. Deck Devastation Virus. Virus Cannon. Mirror Force. XYZ Dragon Cannon. Nice. Fiendish Chain. Sage with Eyes of Blue. And Polymerization. Oh my god. I'm losing my faith. No, I'm not. We still have one more. Come on, hand traps. Come on. We already got one. We want more. And Card of the Mice as well. Don't break my heart. Cards. Let me open this faster. So, I'm not going to show it. So promos, and then the first package is gonna be, come on, Heart of the Cards, come on. And we got Diffusion, Majestic with Eyes of Blue, come on, Fusion, BUW Tiger Catapult, Vampire Lord, oh, come on, Dragonity Ducks, ow, come on, XYZ Dragon Cannon, Rider of the Storm Winds, no, Mirror Force, the Melody of Awakening Dragon, come on, and Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, no, 2 more packages, come on, give us something good. Fiend Sanctuary, I like this one, Blue Eyes Shining Dragon, Mausoleum of White, come on, White Dragon Head, Tyrant Wing, oh no, seems that is the same as the first package, Thunder Dragon, no, Rider of Storm, no hand traps in this one, and Dragon Beacon of White. The last package. Come on, Heart of the Cards. Come on! A Assault Core. Oh no, this looks like the first package, the first box that we opened. King of D. Raigeki! Nice! Powerful card. Nice. Oh. Doom of Virus. Come on. Dragonite Ducks. No, we don't want you. You reappeared 3 times. Z Metal Tank. Okay. No, W Wing Catapult. No. No. We didn't get it. Ring of Defense, Terraforming, and Dragon Master of Night. Dragon Master Knight. So, pow pow pow. We didn't get it this time. I'm telling you, I'm coming back, and I will get it back. I don't know, but we need to get it. Please share in the comments below what do you feel. I know I'm so sad. Besides I smile, but I wanted that card. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you like, please thumbs up. If you don't like, it's because we didn't get the card. Subscribe, show it with your friends, share it with your friends, and I'll be back soon. Thank you, bye bye.